In this video, we walk you through the simple steps to apply for a Firestone credit card and how to log into your Firestone account. Whether you want to manage your payments, view your balance, or access special offers, we'll guide you through every step. Step 1. Visit the Firestone credit card application page. To start, go to the official Firestone credit card website. Use a reliable browser and type in the web address www.firestonecompleteautocare.com. Once on the homepage, locate and click the credit card link. Step 2. Fill out the credit card application form. Once you're on the application page, you'll see a form that asks for basic personal information such as your name, address, social security number, and income. Be sure to have these details on hand to complete the application quickly. Step 3. Review the terms and conditions. Before submitting your application, make sure to review the terms and conditions. This includes the interest rates, fees, and benefits associated with the Firestone credit card. It's important to understand how the card will work before you proceed. Step 4. Submit your application. After reviewing the terms, click the Submit button. You'll usually receive an immediate response about whether you've been approved or if further review is needed. Be sure to check your email for confirmation. Step 5. Receive your Firestone credit card. If approved, you'll receive your Firestone credit card in the mail. It typically takes a few business days for delivery. Once you have your card, you can start using it for purchases, payments, and more. Step 6. Firestone credit card account login. To manage your Firestone credit card account, visit the same Firestone website and click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password. If it's your first time logging in, you may need to create an online account by following the on-screen instructions. Step 7. Access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll have access to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your recent transactions, make payments, check your balance, and more. It's a great place to stay on top of your Firestone credit card activity. Step 8. Set up alerts and payment reminders. To make managing your payments easier, set up account alerts and reminders. You can choose to receive notifications for upcoming due dates, spending limits, or special offers. This will help you stay organized and avoid missing any payments. And that's it. You're now ready to apply for your Firestone credit card and manage your account with ease. Remember, managing your credit responsibly can help build a positive credit history, so be sure to make payments on time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Leave any questions you have in the comments below. We'll be happy to assist.